Lot number 21, Mahishini M from 5th A3.
Good morning everyone, respective director sir, principal sir, teacher and dear students. I am Mahishini, rather of class 5. Today I am talk about the birth anniversary of Smith Indira Gandhi. I would like to say few words about her. I would also like to ask you all, forgive me for any mistake I might during this speech. Indira Gandhi or Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi, the true example of women empowerment, was born in Allahabad on November 19, 1917. She was born in a Kashmir Pandit family to Jawaharlal Nehru. Indira Gandhi politics began when she was very young, when his father was the first Prime Minister of India in the 1950s. She worked as his father's personal assistant. After Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri's death, Indira Gandhi became more empowerment and was elected as Prime Minister of India in 1966. She worked as head of the Indian National Congress under her region Iron Lady of India. On October 31, 1984, two of her bodyguards, Satwab Singh and Bhagat Singh, killed her by shooting weapon. We have lost this gem from the world, but she always be in our heart. Thank you. Jai Hind.
As you said, opportunity is not offered, they must be restored and work. Your words inspired us a lot.